Hello everyone, today is 25th July 2023 and here I am going to discuss the news articles of The Hindu which is important for upcoming competitive exams like UPSC, State PCS and other examinations. Here is the first article which is about Israel's controversial judicial reforms bill gets parliament notes. So as we are seeing these days, UPSC and State PCS, they are asking question directly like giving the name of country and asking why it was in news. So it can be asked like why Israel was in news recently, or also they can ask questions like which country recently was in news because of the mass street protest related to judicial reforms bill. So the answer will be Israel. The same way, the Greece and Canada also was in news because of wildfire. The next article is about ISRO. ISRO announced that PSLV C56 carrying Singapore's DS-SAR satellite will be launched on July 30 from Sriharikota. And total 7 satellite is going to launch in this PSLV C56. It would launch DS-SAR, a 360 kg satellite, into a near equatorial orbit at 5-degree inclination and 535 km altitude. And this DSSAR carries a synthetic aperture radar payload developed by Israel Aerospace Industries. And what is the SAR is going to do? This payload in the satellite will provide all weather day and night coverage. The next article is about happiness curriculum. In Delhi government celebrates 5 years of happiness curriculum, and this happiness curriculum is an educational program for children studying nursery to grade 8 in the schools run by government of Delhi, and this program launched in 2018, and the objective of this program is to improve the mental well-being of the students, and it teaches mindfulness, social emotional learning and critical thinking, problem solving and relationship building. The next is CM of Delhi inaugurates Delhi's first RO water ATM. How it is going to work? Anyone with a water ATM card issued by the Delhi Jal Board would be able to draw up to 20 liters of the water daily from this ATM free of cost, and after the water drawn over the daily quota will be charged at the rate of 1.60 rupees per 20 liters. So question can ask like which state in India or which union territory in India recently inaugurates its first RO water ATM? So the answer is Delhi. The next is House panel expressed the concern over slow documentation of the antique. In this article they talked about a mission, that is National Mission on Monuments and Antiques, NMMA, which is mandated with the documenting the country's monuments and antiques. This NMMA was launched in 2007 to document the country's monuments and antiques, and it was initially set for a period of 5 years from 2007, and then it was extended for further 5 years till 2017, and later it merged with ASI. So now it is merged with Archaeological Survey of India. Here is the details about Archaeological Survey of India. It formed in 1861. The founder is Alexander Cunningham and the headquarters is in New Delhi. It comes under Ministry of Culture. Here is some extra information. The first systematic research into the subcontinent's history was conducted by Asiatic Society, which was founded by British Indologist William Jones in 1784. The Asiatic Society founded in 1784. And there was an article about semiconductor in The Hindu. So what is semiconductor? Semiconductors are materials some between conductors like coppers and non-conductors like glasses. These are like silicons and germanium, gallium arsenide, cadmium selenide, etc. Right now the leading producers are like Taiwan, Japan, China, these countries. The next topic is about controlled human infection studies. What this article is saying, India has taken its first step to introduce controlled human infection studies that is used in many countries for vaccine and treatment development. Then what is CHIS or controlled human infection studies? It is a relatively new research model that helps provide unique insight into disease pathogenesis and can accelerate the development of novel medical intervention. The controlled human infection models a well characterized strain of an infectious agent is given to carefully selected adult volunteers in order to better understand human disease and how they spread and find new ways to prevent and treat them. These studies play a vital role in helping to develop vaccines for infectious disease. Next article is about SEBI, the Security and Exchange Board of India. SEBI was formed in 1988. It got its statutory status after SEBI Act in 1992. It is a regulatory agency. Headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the name of the chairperson is Madhavi Puri Bach. It comes under Ministry of Finance, Government of India. SEBI is the parent body for Forward Block Commission, Association of Mutual Funds of India, and National Security Depository Limited, and last is Central Depository Service Limited. Here is sports news. The news is about FIFA Women World Cup. The host country for this FIFA Women World Cup is Australia and New Zealand, and 32 teams is going to participate. Next news is Dev Shah, who is 14 years old, Indian American, the winner of the Scripps National Spelling Bee 2023 final. Dev Shah. There was an article about disaster management where Sendai framework was mentioned. So Sendai framework, which is related to disaster risk reduction. Under this framework, the time period to achieve the target is 2015 to 30. It came into force after World Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction held in Sendai in Japan. Hugo framework. This is also related to disaster risk reduction. Next and the last topic is ASEAN. As the 56th Asian Foreign Minister meeting was held on 11 to 12 July 2023 in Jakarta, Republic of Indonesia. The full form is ASEAN is Association of Southeast Asian Nations. It is a political and economic organization founded in 1967 by the 5 Southeast Asian nations. Right now it has 10 members. Who are the 10 members? Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand and Vietnam. So this is for today. Let's meet tomorrow and thanks for watching.